In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a poll in Asana 2025, step by step. If you're trying to collect quick input from your team, like choosing a date, picking a design, or prioritizing a feature, Asana forms make polling simple and organized. We'll walk through creating the poll, adding options, sharing it, and viewing the results all inside your Asana project. Start by opening the project where you want to collect votes. This matters because every response from your poll will land directly in this project, keeping everything in one place. Once you're in the project, look to the top right and click Customize. A sidebar will slide open with all the tools you can add to your project. Scroll down until you see Forms, then choose Add Form. This creates a simple form tied to your project that anyone with the link can use to submit a vote. Think of it as the front door to your poll. Next, add your poll question. Click plus Add field, then choose either drop down or multiple choice. Both work for polling. Multiple choice displays all options as buttons, while drop down keeps things compact if you have many choices. Could keep your question focused, like what date works best? Which design do you prefer? Or what feature should we launch next? Clear wording helps people answer quickly and accurately. Now add your poll options. Type each choice, option A, option B, option C, or whatever fits your scenario. Short, distinct labels reduce confusion. If you're comparing designs or features, consider adding brief descriptors so voters know exactly what they're choosing. You can reorder options to highlight favorites or keep them alphabetical for neutrality. When your poll looks good, it's time to share it. Click Open Form to preview how it looks for your voters, or copy link to share it directly. Send the link to your team in chat, email, or wherever you coordinate. If your poll is time sensitive, let people know the deadline in your message so responses come in on schedule. As responses roll in, you can view them right in the project. Each submission appears as a new task, or you can review everything in the Forms Responses section. This makes results easy to track, sort, and follow up on. You can add comments to a response, assign it for action, or group them by chosen option to see trends at a glance. It's clean, organized, and fully trackable, great for team votes, scheduling, preferences, and quick feedback. That's it. Your Asana poll is live, shareable, and ready to collect clear, actionable results.